All right, question number 5. We are going to find P composed of P. So we're going to compose a function with itself. Now P is given to be x squared minus 6x. Alright, so when we compose P with itself, everywhere we have an x, we're going to replace it. So we have a x squared, I'm going to leave it blank, something squared, minus 6x, so it's going to be 6 times blank. In the blank, we're replacing each x with the whole thing. So this is going to be x squared minus 6x squared, and then minus 6 times x squared minus 6x. Okay. And so now we got to simplify. So again, we're going to do that binomial shortcut. So you're going to square the first term, multiply these two together, and double it times 2, and then square the last one. So when I square, I'll do 2 times 2, that'll give me x to the 4th. And then when I multiply these two together, I'll get a negative 6. And then this is x squared plus another x, that'll give me negative 6x to the 3rd, but you have to double it. So negative 6 times 2 will give me a negative 12x to the 3rd. And then you square this term. So you got to square both. Squaring the 6, you get 36, is going to be positive. And then squaring the x will give you x squared. So this is the binomial expansion, or simplified or distributed. Now we're going to distribute a negative 6 throughout. So negative 6 times x squared minus 6x squared. Negative 6 times a negative 6x plus 36x. Alright, combining like terms, the only ones we have are the x squareds in the middle. So this will give us x to the 4th minus 12x cubed plus 30x squared, once you subtract 6, plus 36x. All right, number 6, we're going to do f composed of itself. F of x is given to be 6x minus 12. So we will start with that. We'll do 6, and then instead of x, we're going to put a blank, and then minus 12. We're going to replace the x with this whole thing. So it's going to be 6x minus 12, and you will distribute the 6, so this will give me 36x, and then 6 times 12 minus 72, and then minus another 12. So this will give us 36 minus 84, 36x, sorry, 36x minus 84.